Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Your body, yourself, everything belongs to God. This body is material body. That material energy, earth, water, air, fire, everything belongs to God. This sea belongs to God. Water, vast water. You have not created, neither your forefather have created. So this body is made of earth, water, air, fire, five elements. So the body is also God's. So for I am soul, I am also part and parcel of God. So everything belongs to God. This is Krishna consciousness. We are falsely claiming that it is ours. This is Maya. Maya means what is not fact. That is the meaning of Maya.
Prabhupada, this concept that everything belongs to God, it can't work unless everybody believes that everything belongs to
Then
God.
everybody may be mad. That does not change the fact. If some madman comes in this room and he fights, I am the proprietor, you get out. But that is not a fact.
I can understand, you were talking about the sea and so on, but it's for people to use.
Use, you can use. Tena tattena bundita. That is the Vedic injunction. What is given to you, you use it. Just like one gentleman has got 5 sons. He gives one son, this is your property, this is your property, this you can use. But the sons must acknowledge that this is father's property, he has given that. Similarly, in the Vedic Shastra it is said that everything belongs to God. And whatever he has given to you, you can use. Don't encroach upon others.
But if he's given, you were saying that he's given something to you and don't encroach upon others. But there are certain things that one person has or one group of persons have, which I think truly can be said that.
And originally we have to accept everything belongs to God. Just like father and sons. The son must know the property is father. That is the real knowledge. Now, whatever father has given me, I will use it. Why shall I encroach upon others, my other brother, which he has got from the father? This is good sense. Why shall I fight with my other brother? My father has given him this property to him, so let him use that. And whatever he has given me, let me use it. Why shall I encroach upon his property? This is good sense.
Sorry. I can understand when you say don't encroach on other people's property. I think if I understand you correctly, what you're saying is that if you have something, your father has given you something, and someone else wants to use it, well, let him. I can understand that, but don't you get to the stage, or can't you get to the stage at times, that for some reason or other, you don't want him to use it?
I don't want to use my thing.
saying that if someone does not want, if you don't want someone to use what you have, if someone tries to forcibly...
No, that is another
A
thing.
situation could arise when you wouldn't want somebody to use what you were using for some particular reason. You might be using it yourself at that time. That's what that situation can arise that you don't want.
We are believing that everything belongs to God. If someone else does not believe in that concept and tries to use what we...
That is wrong. That I say. That is his wrong concept.
Well, how do you reconcile, or how do you work out a situation? If everything belongs to God,
Yeah.
we have to run society.
But you don't forget that everything belongs to God. Because you have to run society, it does not mean that you forget the real thing.
But, so I really don't object to that idea at all. But the thing is that the system we're working within has got
Then it should be
different
rectified.
concepts.
It should be rectified.
We should be sorry?
Rectified.
Rectified.
System
Yeah.
should be rectified.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,